In this tutorial, let us see to create the control cycle. Control cycle is a master data in warehouse management system and used to identify the methods of staging process for issuing the component to production supply area. During the goods issued to production supply area, the destination storage type and bin details will be determined automatically to transfer order from control cycle. Control cycle can be created with material code and without material code. If the control cycle created without material code means the functions of control cycle used for all the material code relevant to the plant. This type of control cycle normally created for staging indicator of pick parts. If the control cycle created with material code means the functions of control cycle used for the specific material code only. This type of control cycle normally created for Kanban process. Now let's see the process to create the control cycle in SAP. User can directly use the transaction code LPK1 to create the control cycle, or use the following menu paths to create the control cycle. Select logistics, execution, master data, warehouse, production supply, control cycle production supply, LPK1 create. Double click on the transaction code. Then system will go to next screen, create control cycle. Here enter the plant and enter the supply area. Then press enter. System will go to next screen. Here you can see the control cycle data and destination storage bin details tab. In control cycle details, plant and production supply area determined from initial screen. Next you can see the control cycle data. In control cycle data, the number of Kanbans and Kanban quantity field used for Kanban process, which we will see in create part staging scenario. Next you can see the destination storage bin details. Here the warehouse number copied automatically based on the entered plant assignment. Storage type. The storage type is the organizational unit and subdivision of warehouse number. Enter the relevant storage type. Storage bin. Storage bin is the master data in warehouse management and its smallest addressable unit in the warehouse complex. If it is required to create the destination storage bin automatically by the system, please select the dynamic storage bin indicator. Then the system will create the bin automatically as used the production order number while creating the transfer order. Normally, the dynamic storage bin will be created for pick part process. For other process, need to enter the physical storage bin manually. For this process, select dynamic storage bin indicator. Staging indicator. The staging indicator defines the methods how you need to issue the component to production supply area. Select the drop down list. You can see the different types of staging indicator like pick list item, create part, release order part and manual staging. Select the pick list item. Once entered all the data, then press enter and click on the save button. Then system will display the message that control cycle created. Return back to the screen. Now let's see the process to create the control cycle for Kanban process. This control cycle created with material code reference. Enter the material code, enter the plant and enter the supply area. Once enter the data, press enter. Then system will go to next screen. Number of Kanbans. The number of Kanban, which means containers that circulate between the warehouse and production supply area. Enter the number of Kanbans. This field should be entered minimum 2. Kanban quantity. Quantity of material contained in Kanban container. Enter the Kanban quantity. Enter the staging indicator to create parts. Enter the storage type and enter the storage bin. Once entered all the data, then press enter and click on the save icon. Then system will display message that control cycle created. The created control cycle can be changed in transaction code LPK2 and it can be displayed in transaction code LPK3. Now the control cycle creation process is completed. Thank you.